Okay, majority voting is for proxy, I believe, but let's talk through each one of these one at a time. So what kind of a design pattern is being represented when fake web is used to stub an external service API? Well, regarding adapter and facade, adapter is I need to change the way the remote thing looks. But of course, we're not doing that, right? Fake web is almost the opposite. It's actually making it look the same as the remote thing looks, but allowing you to give a canned reply. So it's not an adapter. And if it's not an adapter, it certainly can't be a facade, which is like an adapter, but also simplifying the API. But this is really like a one-for-one replacement. So given that it's a one-for-one replacement, is it more like a null object or is it more like a proxy? Well, remember, the goal of the null object is to essentially give you a way to avoid having separate code paths when the object you wanted doesn't actually exist, right? So a null object would be you're trying to call an external service, but there are some cases where the actual service you're calling is not a service or doesn't exist. Then you could create a null object stand-in so that you could have the same code path in all cases. But what's actually happening with fake web is really more like a proxy, because you're hiding the fact that normally this would be a remote call. You're instead going to intercept that remote call and do something different, right? You're providing the same APIs, but you provide a different behavior. And in this case, the reason is to facilitate testing, so you don't have to go over the network. So the use of fake web for stubbing an external request is most like proxy. Given the patterns we've seen, this is the one that it's most like. I hope everybody believes me.